Conversations at a coffee shop.
Good morning, may I take your order?
Good morning. Yes. I'll take a coffee and a donut, please.
No problem. How do you take your coffee?
With milk and sugar, please.
What size coffee would you like?
I'll take a medium.
Okay, and what type of donut would you like?
I'll take a glazed donut.
Thanks, that'll be $3.50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with cash. Here's $5.
Thanks, your change is $1.50. Please wait for your order number to be called. The number is printed on the top of your receipt.
Thank you.
Picking up the coffee.
Order 15 is available for pickup.
Thank you. Can I get some napkins?
Yes, of course. Here you go. Is there anything else?
What's the password for the Wi-Fi?
The password is written on the chalkboard over there.
I see. Thank you.
Requesting for a refill.
Excuse me. When you have a moment, can I get a refill on my coffee?
Yes, I'll be right there.
Thanks. How much do I owe you for the coffee?
Nothing. Refills are on the house.
That's very nice of you. Can I offer you a tip?
If you like, there's a tip jar by the cash register.
Asking for the washroom.
Excuse me. Where is the washroom?
The washroom is at the end of the hallway on the right. You'll need a code to enter.
What's the code for the washroom?
The code is printed on the bottom of your receipt.
Oh, I threw away my receipt.
No problem, I'll write it down on a piece of paper for you. The code is 129.
Thank you.
Closing time.
Excuse me, sir. The coffee shop will be closing in 15 minutes. Is there anything else you would like before we close?
No, there is nothing else, thanks. What time will you open tomorrow?
We're closed on Sundays. But, we will be open again on Monday at 6 a.m.
Thanks. I'll be sure to come back again for my morning coffee.
See you in a couple of days.
Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like and share this video.
Let us know in the comments what other English conversations you would like to see.